Earlier this year, I had to give up work due to ill health. Although it was necessary, I have to admit I went through a bad patch. I felt depressed and useless. Living in an English country village, I didn't get to see anyone during the day and became lonely and miserable. I missed my colleagues and couldn't afford to go out. All I had left was my little needlework business that had been drifting along in the background. Back in October, Ken sent me an email and I found myself surfing his website. I read about Site Build It, a website building package that included everything you could need to get a successful site up on the internet. I decided a new challenge was what I needed and signed up. I registered www.needleworktipsandtechniques.com and started building. Within 3 weeks, my new site had overtaken the old one and climbed into the top 3% of all websites. I also realised all the things I'd done wrong last time. I hate to use the term "it changed my life," but it really did. I had a reason to get up in the morning. I made friends with a wonderful group of people on the SBI forums, and I started sharing my knowledge with the whole world. My creative side reawakened. I started designing again. Life had purpose once more. As my first month with SBI draws to a close, I realise I am in love. With SBI, with life, and especially with the newest member of my family, Skye. Now I don't have to go out to work every day. I've decided to get a new puppy. Due to SBI, I will have the freedom to play with her whenever I want, to take advantage of the sunshine and go for walks in the country together. I'm ready to enjoy life again. Thank you, SBI.